Hello everybody, my name is Graham and I am the Mornington Traveller. Today I am visiting the Mornington Fishermans Jetty. So we'll take a cross over the road using this pedestrian crossing, and then we walk around the pavement beside the Rocks Cafe, where I can smell beautiful fish and chips. And this takes us directly to the Fisherman's Jetty. So Fisherman's Jetty is administered by Parks Victoria, which control the whole of this harbour area. So let's take a walk down there and see what we can find. So there's a nice little bench at the end of the jetty for me to sit on, and you'll get a view of the yacht club in the background. Now I just paced out the length of this jetty, and it is 110 of my casual steps. So it's somewhat close to 100 yards long. And it is 4 of my paces wide, which is about 3 meters, 3.5 meters.
Was there a train track right there?
So we've got a nice view of some of the boats in the harbour. And over there we've got a nice view of the Mornington Pier, which I've covered in a previous video. There are not many boats out there at the moment. Later on in the year, when summer comes, there will be a lot more boats moored out here. So there's a view looking straight down the jetty towards the main walk around area. It's a nice sunny day down here at Mornington Harbour. There's a bit of wind, but I would say the temperature feels like it's about 20, 21 degrees. So that's really nice. So now I'm going to walk up there to the Matthew Flinders Monument on top of Snapper Point and get some aerial views of the harbour and the jetty. Well, there's a nice little run around for me. So let's take this path up to the Matthew Flinders Monument. And from here we can look down onto the new Mornington Fishermans Jetty and the car park and the yacht club. And there's a view of Mornington Pier, which I have covered in a previous video. And there's another view of the Fisherman's Jetty. Thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. It's just a short one today. If you like my work, could I ask you to give the video a big thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel.